So this is an older EG4 system from their first line of inverters. 6,500 watts, one leg each. So I have two of them in parallel on the same phase, creating 13,000 watts per leg in this situation. So 26,000 watts total. It's about 105 amp off-grid system. It can also take 50 amps each of bypass, so you're looking at a 200 amp bypass. So everything coming out of the main feed is feeding all four of these inverters at 50 amps each. If whatever we're powering doesn't have enough battery or solar, it just feeds over from the grid. But we've got two 300 amp and 300 amp hour large battery modules. I built two original EG4 LL batteries. They're 100 amp hour each, so we're looking at about 800 amp hours here at 51.2 volts, which is a lot of power. There is a total of 800 amps available for these guys to pull DC, and they convert that into 120 to 40, and then it all goes up through this 100 amp sub panel, this large SER line that runs all the way around the garage, goes underground to the house, and we are running a 30 amp heat pump, not a mini split, it's a heat pump, and a large AC unit, all the home's appliances, everything you can imagine. Pretty simple setup. Everything's basically out in the field, and there's an array up on that building feeding everything. And then in the distance out here, we're about to put another 50 amp service from this service, just a tie-in, another sub panel all the way up to that building. Trench has been set, line's been set. That should be fun. We're turning this whole place off grid, and hopefully we won't have to use that guy.